Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, good night, whichever one it is for you. But y'all, okay, so this is before I edit the curls. Now I'm about to show y'all how to edit these curls. Okay, take your human hair and you're gonna split it to the size of your liking. Then I'm gonna take my kinky hair, my what is this? Ultra Springy Twist, and I'm gonna hold that curly hair with one hand tight, flipped it up, and then y'all see that I started off by just wrapping the kinky hair around it, but then you noticed already how I flipped it, the curly hair, and held it underneath my hand. Okay, and I'm just flipping it back and forth, back and forth. This explanation sounds a little crazy right now, but just keep watching, because guess what? It's going to get better, I promise. All right, you about to see. You see that? Tight. All right, here we go again. Watch it slower. So I held my curly hair tight. Then that part where I'm holding, you see that right there? I'm holding it tight as I'm wrapping. Watch me wrap with your eyes, all right? Then I'm going to flip this curly piece down and hold it. This is just so it's not going to come out, and I'm just going to wrap on top. You can see I'm just wrapping it. Wrap. Then I'm going to flip it up again and just keep wrapping. I think that's the only amount of times that I did that. But anyway, I'm going to keep wrapping down until I have cover that up as much as possible at the bottom. And then y'all, to seal it in, the important part is I'm going to start wrapping up. Okay, wrapping it up. If I had any extra hair at the bottom, I'm just going to cut it off. So it looks as if I was going for a taste of curls, but no, y'all, I really wasn't. I just got lazy. I did not feel like adding all those curls, but you know, you don't have to be like me. You can add more curls. If you made it this far, thank you for watching.
It's the rising sun, shining in the darkest of